Hi guys, welcome back to Too Cool for Middle School. For me right now, this is day 3 of social distancing because of COVID-19. It's a work day right now, so I should be at school teaching, but schools have been closed for me anyway for 2 weeks. So I'm teaching from home. I've actually made some videos for my students and I'm going to be pushing those out each day with a lesson just to kind of like keep them connected to something and give them something to do to keep their mind sharp. For me, it also helps just to make videos and just have something to do each day and have a way of like connecting with the world. So I've been enjoying watching YouTube videos and kind of staying connected to those YouTubers that I typically watch. It's nice that they still have content. Seems like quite a bit of it is like pre-recorded before all of this stuff happened, and so it's actually kind of fun to just like be in a world where nobody's talking about this and just watch like a makeup tutorial or whatever. So as often as I can, I think, you know, most days I can probably do a video just to provide a sense of distraction for myself and one for you. So I thought I would do that today. I have a box that I wanted to open. I hadn't had a chance to go through this yet, but this is the Globein box. This is a fair trade box that you can order online. They have all different ones. I ordered the Hydrate box, and so I haven't gotten a chance to look in this yet, so I thought we would just open it together and just take a little brain break and focus on a company that's doing something really cool in the world and making fair trade products accessible to us and supporting, you know, these small businesses around the world. Look at the inside, how cute that is. Okay, here's the brochure that it comes with. So yeah, this is the Hydrate box. So I'll be able to give you a little bit of information about each item. All right, so this is the first thing. This is an upcycled tote bag. So you can unzip it and then it turns into a nice big tote bag for taking to the grocery store while you try to get supplies. I'm trying to take a break from thinking about this right now, but it's very difficult. This is very handy. I'm definitely gonna keep this in my car. So clearly this is made from trash, which is awesome. I love the idea of upcycling things. This is by Trashy Bags, which are proudly made in Ghana. This is a fair trade bag, and so if you order a box, you get to learn all about the different companies. So I love that this is fair trade, so I'm supporting a company that is doing good. You know, I'm getting waste out of landfills by using something like this that was upcycled from waste, and then I'm not also using a new plastic bag when I go to the store. So I love things that are just like a win-win-win-win. The next thing in here is coconut oil. This is 5 coconut oil packets. It's fair trade certified, certified organic. It's cold pressed with no heat, virgin, feeds a child, and travel ready. Although none of us are traveling right now. Okay, so this one is also fair trade, handmade in Thailand. So it says you could use this as a moisturizer, a hair conditioner, shaving cream, sun protection, itch relief, scar and infection treatment, oral care, or makeup remover. So this would be handy to keep while you're traveling, actually. It comes in these little pouches like this. I know some people like do like the oil pulling. Maybe I'll try that with this. It's supposed to be really good for oral care, and it like whitens your teeth. It's supposed to be like good for your immune system and stuff, so maybe I'll try that with these little guys. The next thing is this really, really beautiful glass jar. How cute would this be with just like a little bouquet of flowers in it? I think that would just be so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like iridescent. This is hand-blown glass. Here's the information. This is made in Mexico, fair trade again. So it says you can drink out of this, which yeah, actually that'd be kind of nice too. This is like a very nice sturdy glass, or you could use it as a vase. You know what would also be kind of nice is to use it for like makeup brushes. I think I might do that with this. So yeah, this is gorgeous. Oh, how cute. We get a little organic beeswax lip balm. Look how cute that is. And the scent is lemongrass. That actually sounds really cool. Let's read about this one. Here's all our info. This is fair trade and handmade in Zambia. This is very cool. Zambezi is committed to providing the people of Africa's pristine subtropical forests sources of income rather than timber and strip mining, sources more sustainable for people and land alike. And the suggested use is smear, rub, smile. I love that. I can't wait to use this. I could put it in my little cup. And the final item in the hydrate box is this handmade basket. It's like navy and white. This is perfect. This goes with everything in our house. This is fair trade and handmade in Mexico. So each basket takes 2 to 3 hours to weave. That's amazing that these are just handmade. And the suggested use is to put gardening gloves and small gardening tools in here. That's super cute. I was thinking actually I could put like filming supplies in here, like my batteries and chargers, SD cards, stuff like that. Maybe I'll put that in here. You've got quite a bit of space in there. So yeah, and then it comes with this little lid. Very, very cute. So that is everything in the Globein hydrate box. There are also a bunch of other themes for boxes that you could order. I have a referral link that you can use so that you can get a discount if you decide to order. I've been thinking a lot about the economy lately and trying to do my best to support small businesses. I know that a lot of people are having to close down or having to, you know, shorten their hours, and not everybody is getting paid. So these are uncertain times, I know. If this isn't a time right now when you can order something fun for yourself, maybe just like save this video, save this link, and order when things become a little bit more stable for you, because this is really cool that with just one box you're supporting so many different artisans around the world. And it's hard to predict right now exactly how everything's gonna pan out, but we know that everybody's going to be affected by everything that's going on in some way. Actually, right now I am really tempted to just like order things online. Like I just wanted to order like a sweatsuit, like a sweatshirt and sweats, because that's all I'm going to be wearing for the foreseeable future. And I was like, oh, well, I can like do online shopping, at least as of now. I guess people are still like shipping and mailing things. I don't know. It's all weird. But follow Globein on Instagram, use this link, just kind of like keep them in the front of your mind for when you need to order something fun and you want the joy from your purchase to just be multiplied times over, because you're supporting a good company that in turn supports many other artisans and small businesses. So I really appreciate this box from them. I appreciate having this time with you during an uncertain time. We can still just like go on YouTube and hang out. So I very much appreciate you watching this video today. I hope you're all doing well. Please just let me know in the comments below what you're doing to kind of like give yourself a sense of purpose during this time and how you're kind of like staying positive. Let us know in the comments down below, because we could all use help in that area. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with another video. So I'll see you then. Bye.